In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change another user's password in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type Control Panel. Click on it under the best match. Click on User Accounts. Click on User Accounts again. Click on Manage Another Account. Then locate the account that you want to change the password. And then click on. So since in my case, I don't have the password for this account, now let's try with another account. So here it's asked me to create a password. So since it asked me to create a password, I'm just going to type a password. Let me type a password first. Okay, so since I've already created a password for that account, now here we have the option to change the password. So simply click on that and simply type your new password, confirm the new password, and type a password hint, and simply click on change password. So that's how you can easily change the another user's password on your Windows 11. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.